This is part 2 of our advanced machine series. In part 1, we covered the top 10 machines that are changing the world of farming and industry. Now we continue the countdown from number 11 to number 20. These machines are just as powerful, smart, and game-changing. Let's continue. Number 11. Vegetable Harvesting Robot. The Vegetable Harvesting Robot is designed to pick crops with high precision and speed. It uses advanced cameras and artificial intelligence to identify which vegetables are ready to be harvested. This ensures that only fresh and fully grown produce is collected. The robot can move across the field smoothly and avoid obstacles using smart sensors. Unlike human labor, it can work continuously without getting tired, making it highly efficient for large farms. It also reduces waste by avoiding damage to crops during harvesting. Farmers can monitor its performance remotely and adjust settings as needed. This machine is especially useful for delicate crops like lettuce and spinach, where careful handling is required. By combining speed, accuracy, and automation, the vegetable harvesting robot is helping farmers improve productivity and reduce labor costs significantly. Number 12. Robotic Transplanter. The robotic transplanter is an advanced machine used to move plants and trees from one location to another without damaging their roots. It carefully digs around the plant in a circular shape, keeping the root system intact. Once the plant is removed, it is transported and replanted in a new location with the same structure of soil around its roots. This process increases the survival rate of plants and reduces stress on them. The machine is widely used in landscaping and large farming projects where plant relocation is required. It saves a lot of time and effort compared to manual work. The robotic transplanter ensures precision and consistency, making it a valuable tool in modern agriculture. It allows farmers and developers to manage land more efficiently while preserving plant health. Number 13. Autonomous Combine Harvester. The Autonomous Combine Harvester is a fully automated machine that performs multiple farming tasks at once. It can cut crops, separate grains, and remove unwanted material in a single process. Using GPS and advanced sensors, the machine navigates through fields without human assistance. It follows precise paths to ensure no area is missed or damaged. The harvester can operate day and night, increasing productivity and reducing the time required for harvesting. It also collects data about crop yield and field conditions, which helps farmers make better decisions in the future. This machine is ideal for large-scale farming, where efficiency and speed are crucial. By reducing manual labor and improving accuracy, the Autonomous Combine Harvester is transforming the way crops are harvested. Number 14. AI Tree Harvesting Machine. The AI Tree Harvesting Machine is a smart solution for modern forestry. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze trees and decide which ones should be cut. This helps maintain a balanced ecosystem and prevents unnecessary deforestation. The machine grabs the tree firmly, cuts it within seconds, and removes branches automatically. It then cuts the trunk into equal-sized logs for easy transport. This entire process is completed very quickly compared to traditional methods. The machine improves safety by reducing the need for human workers in dangerous environments. It also increases efficiency and reduces waste. With its intelligent decision-making and fast operation, the AI tree harvesting machine is changing the forestry industry and making it more sustainable. Number 15. Tree Stump Remover. After cutting a tree, the remaining stump can be difficult to remove. The tree stump remover is designed to solve this problem efficiently. It uses powerful rotating blades to break the stump into small pieces. The machine digs deep into the ground and removes roots completely, making the land ready for farming or construction. And it works much faster than manual methods and requires less effort. The stump remover is especially useful in large areas where many trees have been cleared. By removing obstacles from the soil, it helps prepare the land for future use. This machine saves time, reduces labor costs, and improves overall productivity. It is an essential tool for land development and agricultural projects. Number 16. Bamboo Splitting Machine. The bamboo splitting machine is used to cut bamboo into thin and equal strips. It is widely used in industries that produce furniture, baskets, and eco-friendly products. The machine works by feeding bamboo into a cutting system that divides it into multiple pieces at once. This process is fast and highly accurate, ensuring consistent results every time. It reduces the need for manual labor and increases production speed. The strips produced by this machine are used in various applications, making it an important tool in manufacturing. The bamboo splitting machine is also environmentally friendly, as bamboo is a renewable resource. By improving efficiency and reducing waste, this machine supports sustainable production practices. Number 17. Electric Mini Loader. The electric mini loader is a compact but powerful machine used for lifting and transporting heavy materials. It is designed to work in tight spaces where larger machines cannot operate. The loader runs on electricity, making it eco-friendly and reducing emissions. It is commonly used in construction sites, warehouses, and farms. Despite its small size, it has strong lifting capacity and can handle heavy loads bisuhula. On it, the machine is easy to control and provides smooth operation. It also produces less noise compared to traditional fuel-powered machines. The electric mini loader is an excellent example of how modern technology is making machines more efficient and environmentally friendly. Number 18. AI